Hi everyone, in today's video, we will explore the secrets to successful career changes and provide you with practical tools and strategies to navigate this exciting chapter. Whether you're dreaming of starting your own business or switching industries altogether, get ready to take that leap and land on your feet. The first step on your career change journey is to assess your current career. It's crucial to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Start by recognizing your strengths, the skills, knowledge, and experiences that set you apart. Think about what tasks come easily to you, areas where colleagues seek your guidance, or compliments you've received on your work. Equally important is acknowledging your weaknesses. Be honest about areas where you struggle or feel unfulfilled. Recognize these weaknesses as opportunities for growth and improvement. With your self-assessment complete, it's time to explore new career options. Research industries and roles to broaden your knowledge and open yourself up to new possibilities. Dive into industry-specific news, magazines, blogs, and forums to understand trends and identify areas aligning with your interests. Connect with professionals in your desired field through informational interviews and networking events. Building genuine relationships can open doors to new opportunities. Gaining the necessary skills is crucial for a successful change. It involves a balanced combination of training, education, and experience. Training provides practical knowledge and hands-on experience under the guidance of experts. It's an essential part of skill development. Education provides a solid foundation and theoretical framework for learning new concepts, critical thinking, and adapting to industry changes. Experience offers real-world application and builds confidence. It's where you apply your skills to practical situations and learn from mistakes. Crafting an impressive resume and cover letter is vital for a career change. Showcase transferable skills and relevant experience. Reframe your previous work experience to highlight transferable skills and similarities between your current role and the desired one. Emphasize volunteering or side projects that align with your new career path. It shows dedication and commitment to the change. Navigating interviews can be nerve-wracking, but it's essential to understand what employers are looking for and effectively sell yourself as a candidate. Prepare by researching the company and providing specific examples of how your skills and experience align with the role's requirements. Highlight your soft skills, like effective communication and teamwork, using anecdotes from past experiences. Remember, interviews are two-way conversations. Ask questions about company culture and growth opportunities to find the right fit. In conclusion, making a successful career change is about embracing change, learning new skills, and aligning your career with your values and passions. Stay open-minded and be willing to explore different pathways. Trust yourself and have confidence in your abilities. Life is too short to settle for mediocrity. Take control of your professional destiny and embrace change. With determination, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace change, you can make a successful career change and find true fulfillment in your work. Good luck on this exciting journey. Thank you for watching this guide to successful career changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Best of luck on your journey to a fulfilling career.